a pet. The sound of P. What's that? Looks like a frog. We'll see what it has to do with the P here. I took my pack. So there's his pack right there. I put my pack on my back. So he's ready to go. Says I'm ready. I went to find a pet. So you're looking at the directional sign. See the little paw print? That means pets this way. I met a pet on the path. There's a nice dog. He has a collar on here. So it belongs to somebody, doesn't he? I met a pet in a pen. Look at that pet pig. I met a pet on the pond. Oh, I get it now. He's somebody's pet. That's why he's on the cover. And there he is. He's in the water. I picked the pet as my pal. In other words, it's his friend. He jumped into my pack. Oh, look at that. Remember? He had his black pack on his back. He jumped right in there. My pet makes me happy. My pal and I are friends. He likes that friend. The word list: happy, jumped, pack, pal, path, pen, pet, picked, pond, put. The sound of P. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org.